Hello friend, welcome back to Java series. Today we will learn what is variable. So a variable is a name given to a memory location. It is the basic unit of a storage in a program. The value stored in a variable can be changed during the program execution. A variable is only a name given to memory location and all the operation done on that variables affect that memory location. In Java, all the variables must be declared before we use. So how to declare a variable in Java? So while defining the variable in Java, first we have to give the data types and the name of the variable, and after that we have to assign the value. This is the initial value and we can change this value during the execution of program. Now what is data types? So this is the defining the data types. So data types is the type of data that can be stored in this variable. Okay. Now variable name, it is just a name of the variable, and value, this is the initial value that are stored in the variable. Now rule for defining the variable in Java. So variable name can include characters A to Z, both a small and capital, and also we can include numbers from 0 to 9 and also underscore and dollar. Apart from that we can't include other characters. Now variable name must not begin with the number, and third thing, we can't use the reserved word in the variable name like for, while, if, and now let's understand with the example. So here I given the data types and the name of this variable. So here I am only defining this variable name. Later we can initialize this variable age equal to 25, and this is same underscore we are using. So this is the correct. Now what are the wrong? So I given the starting the name with the number, so this is the wrong, and also I have given the special symbol, so this is also wrong. So this is all about. Thank you.